So today will mainly be fixing my PC because it's making an awful noise. The noise would be from a fan, but let's find out and let's fix it. So this is the PC, a little thing like this, small but powerful. I'll switch it on.
Power on, Bluetooth mode, UX mode.
Once the speakers are stopped, so this is the noise. Doesn't sound good at all. So let's very quickly power this off. Plug the power and let's take it apart. So we'll just unplug the bits and bobs from the back. Easy done. Let's not forget the Wi-Fi dongle for the keyboard. And let's take the screws out the bottom. With a screwdriver, I have obviously come prepared. And obviously put them there so we don't lose them. That one there as well. So let's move me a glass of juice before that goes all over the desk. 4 screws, safely over there. Let's unplug that. And then this just sort of slides in half. Sort of slides in half, like that. Put that bit there, we don't need it. Then there's 4 more screws to undo here and other side. So let's do that. Let's not forget we're putting them over there so we don't lose them. Okay, so that's one lost. But let's make sure this one, because we have a nearly magnetic screwdriver, so we don't lose any screws. Same again. But catch it. This one. Oh! Ah, caught that one. Just need to find the other one. Oh, it's down there. 4 screws. Pull this out. This is one of the fans. And just get this out. And this is the offending article, I am sure. It'll not be that little one. It was making far too much noise for it to be that little one. Got to be this big one sitting on top of the CPU. So let's power it on again and see if this is the thing that's making the noise, or this. So let's just stop this fan. The noise still continues. Start fan, start. And then if we stop this fan, the noise stops. So there we go. So we'll get this swapped out. Easy peasy. Windows would have loved me unplugging that like I did. So let's so this is held on not by screws but by some little springs. So let's pop the little springs off like that. And the other side. Like that. Easy peasy. And let's do that. So this thing, I think, has been partly caused by maybe because of the way that I've installed the fan. Because the fan has been sitting sort of like that on the CPU, but then the whole thing gets flipped upside down, So it now sits like that upside down. And I think that then means this is spinning round, upside down, gravity is pushing on it. I suppose this is a bit like a little propeller, so it wants to go that way, which then affects the bearings. So I don't think the fan should be doing this, making that sort of noise. It's actually, you can see, well, I don't know if you can see it, but it moves. I don't think it should be moving like that. So yeah. So when I install a new one, I'll install it so when it's upside down, it's facing that way and pushing on this frame. That frame is going to help support it, or support the bearing, at least. I think that's how it'll work. We'll find out. So here is the replacement fan. That's a Thermalite. This is a Thermalite. So let's get this out of the box. And there's one notable difference. This one is white. This one is grey. I had the choice, so I thought I'd get white because then it matches the white main board, motherboard. So we'll all be able to sleep better at night knowing that this is white. So if I pop that on there, hopefully it won't catch the top of the CPU cooler, because if I was to turn this one over, I bet it would. Yeah. Yeah. Because it's doing this. So yeah, so we're going to put this on like that, put that in there, and then easy as that. Let's plug it in first. For no other reason than I'm plugging it in first. So I'm plugging it in first for the very simple reason, when I go to put the spring on, this is going to be in the way, isn't it? Anyway, let's just manage that. We are aware of it. So let's get the spring. I did pick the other one up off the floor. Pop this in like that. Like that. And come on, spring thing. Come on. Oh, for fuck's sake. Take that side on. Square it up a little bit. Get this under there. That's it, it's going nowhere. Yep, looks okay. Now we need to cable tie this excess a bit, don't we? To there, I think. What you do, get some little cutters, cut off the excess. I'm saying that'll do, it's not quite right. That'll do. So, do we say, let's just put it back together? Don't have to switch it on and test it because it's going to be good. Or do we test it first? What do you think I will do? Well, you're wrong. I'm going to plug it in first and test it. So let's get the power cable, plug it in, power it on. Nice and quiet. So now let's get this back together. So we don't want to be jamming that or these cables, but here we go. Slide this in like that. Persuade these cables, really they don't want to be jamming in our newly installed fan. There we go. Persuade these all to go in the little slots. Go in the little slots. So let's line these holes up first, like that. And then first screw in. Spin it round. Next screw in. Third one. Look at that. Nearly had a cable jammed. That's one of the screw isn't quite the right size, is it? The screwdriver is not quite the right size. So let's pop this in the right way, which is that way. Okay. Now, just get this bit on. Then plug this back in. It's just a USB-C to my hub on the top. This little hub here. USB-Cs and USBs. Saves you having to fiddle around the back. Because there's nothing worse than fiddling around the back. So, just in case this hasn't worked, do you think I'll be needing these? I don't need these anymore because that's going to work perfect. Okay, so let's power this on.
Power on.
Keyboard, mouse, and that is silent. Not the peep out of it. So yes, it is working. No noise. So yeah, job's a good one. So that's it, it's fixed. There's no screaming noises. There's no need for me to wear ear defenders anymore when I'm using my PC. So that's a bonus. Okay, I'll see you next time. So don't forget to like and subscribe if you want more content like this, or if you don't want more content like this, and then please like and subscribe. Great. Okay, thank you.